There goes my boy, Nature Boy, eating his raw. He likes to take his food all around the house. He is a miniature pinscher, crossed to a deer-head Chihuahua. He is a 50-50 cross. I also have a 50-50 cross female. He had a whole bowl full of food, but he chose to eat over here. And what you hear in his bones, he does crack bones. You can take dogs and make your own breed. I'm just taking these dogs and making my own breed. Minchy line dogs. Nature, he doesn't like to work. There's one thing about him is he don't like to work. He's a very high-strung dog that likes to run his own program. You can put him on a chain, run him on a bike. He'll work that way with you. Very friendly with other dogs. Very beautiful dog. He's always been very, very beautiful. This dog shows very strong traits of that German Pinscher. The main pen was created to preserve the German Pinscher. Specific traits. That's where his color comes from. I like the fact mine came out all black. The Chihuahua, the deer-head Chihuahua, that's inside of this dog is a cross between a Chi and a Chinese crested dog. Chinese crested hound created your first generations of Chihuahuas. And that miniature pinscher is a is a smooth coat dachshund crossed to that smooth coat Italian greyhound, crossed to that German pinscher. All ancient dogs, history dogs. And that's what makes me like this particular breed so much, because it has an actual heritage, a lineage. Like, if you say you got papers to a Chihuahua, how'd you get papers to it when that dog's been here long before you could breed it? You probably got papers to show how your specific Chihuahuas are bred, but can't have papers of something you didn't breed. It was here already. That the miniature pinscher, on the other hand, is a dog that was bred. It was put together. It was a dog that was put together. But she didn't breed the Chihuahua. People give Chihuahuas the names. They say the deerhead is an AKC registered dog. He's not the show quality dog that they're looking for. They're looking for the smaller dog, the one that can't breathe that good. The brachiocephalic Chihuahua dog. And these dogs don't show very much brachiocephalic tendencies. They're able to run, play. You know, they can swim. The dogs that are being recognized, shit. A couple of them probably can swim. You know, all dogs come out big. Some come out big, some come out small in the same litter. But when you get a Minchie line dog, you're getting the genetics that are behind this dog. Ancient history dogs. This dog comes from a bigger breed, meaning that German Pinscher. You know? And you have to think, the Italian Greyhound was bred down from the big Greyhound. So that's two big dogs right there in its pedigree that should be stated in its pedigree. Unless you just want to say those three dogs created it, then fine. But I know for a fact now, not too many people can say that they created a Chihuahua. Oh, we breed Chihuahuas. Chihuahua's been here. You didn't breed that Chihuahua. You bred the Chihuahuas you own. And that's basically what I'm finna do with both breeds. Both good breeds. You take them and cross them up, inbreed and line breed to get better dogs. You know, can't get pretty much better than nature, but you can get a better dog. You can get something nice. You can very much get something nice. He's a nice looking dog. And that's why I've always liked him. He's a very nice looking dog. You know, I intentionally took his mother, which was a miniature Doberman Pinscher, and crossed her to a male deerhead Chihuahua. And this was the results. What you're looking at right here is the results. And it worked. Very much worked. You don't want me bothering him while he's eating his chicken. So I'm gonna give him a little piece, I guess. But you know, the Minchie line dogs are a cross from the deerhead Chihuahua and the miniature Doberman Pinscher. And what you see is what you get when I take and breed the two. What you see is what you get. The dog is very much ready to go play. Look at that. Very much ready to go do anything you want him to go do. And he's a highly trainable dog. Companion dog, very much a companion dog. If you can't love a Minchie line, you can't love a big dog. That's just all it is to it. That's my boy, Nature Boy, right there. This dog right here was born January 23rd, 2013. He's got silver on his face, and that's about it. Still breeding. He hasn't bred in a very long time, but he's getting ready to breed here coming up soon. He's got a breeding going, coming up towards to Sasha Girl. Him and Sasha will be breeding. But that's Minchie Line Canine's Nature Boy. This is Minchie Lines Canines, Nature Boy, 6-year-old Chipin dog. Very smart, very athletic, very intelligent. And to an owner like me, right, I just couldn't ask for more out of my little dog. He serves his weight. He's an OG. Like I said before, you don't have to waste your time showing me your puppies. Show me your old dogs. And this is Minchie Line. I really want to see how long it's gonna take him to break that in half. I mean, he's so determined. As you can see, I'm ready to go on a walk. I got the chain ready and set up. I think he's cool. So I'm finna do this by myself and let Nature Boy just eat his food.